This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, October 27th. I'm James Spann. A cold front on the way. It's going to knock the heat levels down. It's going to be cool by Halloween, and maybe a few showers during the change. Let's go in there and take a look with some Skycam shots today. This is coming from Birmingham, top of the Daniel Building. Not a cloud in the sky on a warm, late October day. That's our Skycam in Fayette County. And up in the Tennessee Valley, downtown Huntsville, in Madison County. Ridging here, but a big trough in the west. And that's going to beat the ridge down and bring a cold front in here Wednesday morning with a few showers and a nice change to cool weather. But yeah, today it's warm. Birmingham 84. The record high today is 88, set in 1940. The average high is 71. But after today, highs should drop back in the upper 70s tomorrow, and then we'll be close to 70, maybe even 60s on Wednesday. And around the nation, you can see the colder air behind the front across the Rockies, moving into the plains. And again, that front is due in here Wednesday morning. Here's a watch warning map. Pretty quiet around the nation. Just a few pockets with freeze and frost advisories out west. Convective outlook today. Again, we've got the new categories involved here. Marginal risk of severe weather for parts of Oklahoma and some of the adjacent states. Tomorrow, the standard slight risk has been issued here for parts of Ohio and Pennsylvania. Surrounding that, a marginal risk down into Kentucky. And on day 3, maybe some thunder, but certainly no chance of any severe weather here. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning. And I don't think it rains a lot. Some places might miss the rain completely. Rain amounts should be well under 1/2 inch for our part of the state. And look at this. Right after I did the video this morning, a tropical storm bloomed on the coast of Central America. Tropical Storm Hannah. And I think that was a good upgrade. It just kind of came out of nowhere. Top winds are only 40 miles an hour, and it's moving inland. This thing is moving towards the southwest down into Nicaragua. Heavy rain is the biggest issue there, and it's basically inland now. So this will be one of the quickest tropical storms on the board in a while. Elsewhere in the Atlantic, got a tropical wave that is east of the Windward Islands. If anything forms out here, which is not likely, it's going to be a recurving system, no threat to us. All right, model fans, the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow, 1 o'clock local time. Nice wave north of us. Down below that, a cold front running from near Indianapolis down to about Abilene, Texas. A little band of showers along that front. This is 1 o'clock tomorrow. We'll go to 1 a.m. Wednesday. This is just after midnight tomorrow night, and you can see the showers entering the northwestern corner of the state. And again, there could be some thunder up there initially. This is Wednesday morning at 7 local time. The showers slowly advancing southward, approaching Tuscaloosa and Birmingham. But watch what happens. By 1 o'clock, it just fizzles out as the upper support lifts out. And by the time you go south to Birmingham, rain amounts down there very light and very spotty. And even for Birmingham north, it's not going to rain that much. But the day should be much cooler. The NAM is showing a high of only 66 degrees. But clearly, if we do see showers, the better chance would be Wednesday morning. And by Wednesday evening, they're out of here. Thursday should be a beautiful fall day. The high, say 67 to 70. We'll start the day in the 40s. This is Friday. Look at that 1032 high dropping down into Wisconsin. That's pretty chilly air mass with a Clipper-type system coming down the line. We might see low and mid-70s on Friday, but it's going to be dry. And then Saturday, a surge of cool air drops in here. The latest guidance coming in much cooler. The GFS showing a high of only 62. Many locations will not get out of the 50s on Saturday. And that's a very chilly northeast breeze. And look at the surface low. That is just off the New England coast. Hey, that could bring the first big snow of the season on November 1st to parts of the northeast United States. Our friends up there will have to worry about snow forecasting for the first time in a while. And this is Sunday. We're cool and dry. We start the day. Looks like in the 30s for almost everybody. This could be our coldest morning of the season so far easily. The GFS is printing 39 for Birmingham. Some of the colder pockets will probably see a freeze. And the high only in the low and mid-60s, so a very cool weekend coming up, unlike this past weekend that was quite warm. And here's Monday of next week. New trough out west. Down below that, we're still dry. Surface cold front to the west. That's due in here toward the middle of next week. This is Wednesday evening, November 5th. This run suggesting the heavier rains north of here. We have seen other runs that bring the heavier rain right through Alabama. Just remains to be seen. It's too early. This is beyond 7 days, but at least some chance of rain toward the middle of next week. And this is the end of the forecast on the 12th of November. Heights are coming up, and down below that, that looks cool and seasonal. Temperatures, this is kind of the last warm day, as you can see. And again, the weekend is going to be pretty chilly, with highs only around 60 on Saturday and lows possibly down in the 30s Saturday and Sunday morning. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.